Yo, buddy, let's get real for a sec. New Year's resolutions? Please, we've all been there. January 1st, we're hyped. By January 15th, back to Netflix and cold pizza. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? Like, actually make this as your year? No cap. Kim Kiyosaki talked about disappearing to build wealth. But this is about disappearing to build you. Let's dive in. Okay, imagine this. You ghost everyone. Social media? Deleted. Group chats? Muted. Your couch? Collecting dust. For 30 days, you're off the grid. Just you, your goals, and that voice in your head saying, but what if I fail? Here's the kicker. Failure's not the enemy. Comfort is. The system wants you scrolling, doubting, settling. Schools don't teach grit. Bosses don't teach hustle. But that voice saying, you can't, time to punch it in the throat. Remember that study about people who live past 100? Purpose, optimism, resilience. Sound familiar? That's you after 30 days of raw, unfiltered grind. Champions aren't born. They're built in the dark. Think Kobe at 4 a.m. Beyonce rehearsing till her feet bleed. You think they felt like it? No, they locked in. The hard truth, let's keep it 100. You've got 720 hours this month. Waste them, and you'll be right here next year. Same doubts, same regrets. Or, hour 1, write the plan. Hour 50, learn the skill. Hour 720, become someone you barely recognize. Screw motivation. Motivation's a flaky friend. Discipline? That's your ride or die. And yeah, you'll want to quit. That's the point. Quitting's easy. But that version of you that's tired, scared, complacent, bury it. The payoff, here's the magic. After 30 days, you won't just look different. You'll think different. That side hustle? Launched. That toxic habit? Gone. That dream you whispered about? Loud. Hell. And the people who doubted you? They'll ask, how'd you do it? You'll smirk and say, I stopped talking and started doing. Look, last year isn't about this year, new me. It's about new day, same grind. The world's loud. Your dreams? Louder. If you're ready to shut the noise off and level up, smash subscribe. This channel, it's your midnight hype man, your 5 a.m. accountability partner. Every video's a brick in the foundation of the future you. And hey, when you're on top of that mountain next month, slide into the comments. Tell me I was right. Stay hungry. Stay locked in. Let's go.